Hey, welcome to our autumn decor ribbon collection. Our autumn pumpkin festive series captured the essence of fall season with stunning design featuring vibrant pumpkin and autumn leaves, perfect for adding a festive touch to any harvest celebrations. Next, we have Harvest Charcoal Gums collection featuring charming design of pumpkins and gums in classic chalks. These ribbons are ideal for bringing a whimsical, rustic feel to your fall decorations. For those who love the beauty of nature, our Maple Leaf Falling for Fall collection showcase the brilliant colors of autumn with leaves and in shades of yellow, orange, and green. These ribbons truly capture the spirit. Our Words design ribbon provide a straightforward way to elaborate your decor with autumn-themed phrases and elegant words patterns. These are great for creating eye-catching themed crafts or gift wraps. And finally, the tiny fall design ribbon combine playful elements like pumpkins, maple leaf, and adorable squirrels. Bring the magic of autumn to life with your beautiful ribbon collections.